In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send invoices with Housecall Pro. We're going to walk through the simplest workflow so you can bill your customer right from the job you've already completed or are currently working on. This keeps everything organized and tied to the service details, so there's no double entry or guesswork later. Start by signing in to your Housecall Pro account. Once you're on the home dashboard, head to the Customers section. From there, move into the Jobs area. This is where you'll see a list of jobs associated with your customers, typically labeled as completed or in progress. Take a moment to find the job you want to bill for. If you have a long list, it helps to scan by customer name, job date, or status so you're attaching the invoice to the correct record. Click into the job you want to invoice. Inside the job, look for the option to send the invoice. Depending on your view, this may appear as Send Invoice, and it's usually easy to spot. Clicking it creates an invoice that's tied to this job, pulling in the details you've already captured. Before you send anything, review the invoice carefully. This is your chance to edit the details, things like the description of the work performed, line items, quantities, rates, discounts, or taxes. Make sure the totals reflect exactly what you want to charge. If you include notes or terms, keep them clear and professional so your customer knows what to expect. When you're ready, proceed to send. Housecall Pro will open an email preview with the customer's email address, a subject line, and a message already filled in for you. These fields are auto-populated to save time, but you can edit them to match your voice or add helpful context like a brief thank you, a reminder about payment options, or your preferred timeline for payment. Keep it concise and friendly. Give everything one last look, then click Send. The invoice will be delivered to your customer, and you'll have a record of it within the job, making follow-up and tracking straightforward. That's all it takes. Sign in, go to Customers, open Jobs, choose the right job, click Send Invoice, review your details, and send. With this flow, your billing stays connected to the work you've done, and your customers get a clear, professional invoice fast. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.